Hello everyone, welcome back to all one video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix unable to purchase. This app is not compatible with this device ever on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back and then here you can see I'm using here older version on my iPhone here. You can see I'm here using 9.3.6 iOS version. That's why it's giving me the error. So how to fix this type of issue? First of all, let me show here. Here you can see I'm using the Apple ID for the iTunes and App Store. Here this one, count 30. So to solve this problem, what you have to do is just grab another iOS device which is running at iOS 10 or later. So I have got my iPhone here and sign in here with your same Apple ID which you are using for your older device. So I have already signed in with that Apple ID here. So here let me show you I'm using here iOS version here in my this iPhone. Here you can see iOS 15. So you have to make sure that you have signed in with the same Apple IDs at the both devices. So after that what you have to do is just go back and then open up App Store here. So after that search for the app you want to install on your older device. So search here on your new device and then try to download. As I want to install YouTube app, so I have already installed this one, so you have to install this one. Then after that what you have to do is just in the older device as well, go to your iTunes store and try to download the same app you have installed on your iOS 10 or later. So here you can see here in the App Store. So what you have to do is just tap here in the bottom at updates and then tap here on purchase, and here you can see iCloud sign. So you have to tap here on iCloud sign. Once you have purchased, tap on download. So as you can see it's downloading right now. So that's the method you can get any app on your older device. So that's it guys for today's video, and if the video is helpful please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.